How to navigate to Credit Karma dashboard. First of all, once you log in, you will land on the main overview page. At the top, you will see your credit scores from TransUnion and Equifax. You can click between them to view detailed credit reports. Below this, you will find sections labeled Credit, Accounts, Auto, and Tax. As you scroll down, you will come across suggested credit cards. Be cautious, Credit Karma earns money when users apply and get approved. So only apply for cards that truly fit your financial needs. At the top menu, you will see tabs like Overview, Recommendations, Accounts, Cards, Loans, Auto, Resources, and Tax. Under the Overview tab, you will find key options like Dashboard, Score Details, and the Dispute Center. The dashboard provides updates such as credit score changes, late payments removals, and new collections. Select either TransUnion or Equifax to view and compare your credit reports. If your score differ, focus on the bureau your lender uses. You can also print your full credit report directly from the dashboard. Now you know how to navigate the Credit Karma dashboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.